I just got back from my school Christmas party. Today, I'm gonna show you what I got for the Christmas party.
Okay.
First, we have this. This is from Caitlin, my very best friend. Let's open. I don't know what's this one yet. I haven't seen. A bag! Look! Everybody! Look! Bag!
It's a tote bag.
Tote bag. This is only so fun. That's gift number 1. Gift number 2, we have air dry clay. And some candies.
You can put them here. Okay.
We have from Addison. Here. There. Let's open. Looks like an...
Oh, nice. Look, that's nice.
XOX.
Tic-tac-toe. Oh, don't open it yet. We'll bring it next time. Okay, this one is from...
This one is from...
cute. You can show it to them. Look at the details.
This is from Athena.
Athena. Oh, I think, Mama... You know, I guessed it earlier what's inside. Because we used to do that, remember? Oh, close it first. Close it first. Okay, next. This one is from...
Andre.
Okay.
This one is from Andre.
Okay.
Cookie maybe.
Maybe. And then this one is from... Ethan.
This one is from Ethan.
You can
I
open-
memorize it.
Yeah, I
This
saw
one
it
is
too.
from Ethan.
Open.
Let's see what's inside. Wait. Okay. Oh, we have candies ulit. Look.
Candy? Oh.
Oh, you have a painting thing. All the toys is there. All the snacks is there.
Next, this one is from...
Alexa!
What's inside?
T-shirt again!
Wow! Hello, Kitty! Nice!
How do they know my size though?
Yeah, syempre. This one is from...
Mira.
Mira.
This one, look, from Mira. Papa, Mira gave me something.
This one is from...
Luis?
Addison also.
No, it's
Oh,
Luis.
Addison din pala siya?
Yeah, Luis Addison. There's
really?
two.
Sino siya dun? Sino siya dun?
She's
ano?
9 years old. This is from a TikTok. Next, this is from Raya. The squishy frog.
This one is from...
This one is from Tiffany. Oh, a comb. And a rubber band.
This one you won a prize. This one is ganda from...
Mama, this is good. A good thing I have.
This
This
one is
is
ganda. The prize.
The prize.
This is from Raya.
This is from a prize. I mean, this is from Raya. And the prize too.
And then this one I...
This
The
one
loot
is
bag.
from
The
the
bag.
loot bag. There's so many.
Yeah.
I have this, my favorite. And look! There's Bubble gum too. Wait, can I eat some?
No, later yan. We will continue
Smoke.
to check.
We smoke.
Okay, next.
I'm so
We got it from...
We got it from Santa.
You read it first.
This is
Presents from Santa, North Pole Express delivery, delivered by Santa's assistant. Sino yung assistant ni Santa? Check mo yung name.
Na. You guys check. Why?
Nothing.
Oh my God! Oh wait! This is the one I saw.
Yeah, that's why I cried when you saw it. Because it's my surprise.
Did Mama cry when?
Yes, last night I cried because it's a surprise that I've been planning for the longest time. But I intentionally gave you the cake. Okay? I intentionally gave you
The
the
one
cake.
that hide?
Yeah. Because you already saw the pizza eh. That's why I did not give it to you. Okay, next. This one is from...
This one is from a Secret Santa. From Angelica.
Cutie. And this one is from...
Look.
Ay, cute. What's that? That means it's new. And then this one is from... this one is from Mama again.
From Mama.
You still want it? Oh, you can go out. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm just gonna eat. You can choose whatever you want there.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.